Bibo and the Bibo Cafe. Today, Bibo the bear is playing make-believe. He is pretending to be a barista at the Bibo Cafe. His first customer comes in. It's Mino, the monkey. An iced tea, please. Make sure it's cold, says Mino. Bibo prepares an iced tea and adds one ice cube in it. Sarah, the sheep, enters the beer cafe too. A tea, please. Make sure it's hot, she says. Bibo prepares a hot tea and adds 2 spoons of sugar in it. But somehow Sarah's hot tea is cold and Mino's iced tea is hot. How is that possible? They wonder. Oh, Bibo, you must have mixed up the orders, they giggle. Bibo chuckles and apologizes for the mix-up. Finally, Sarah and Mino exchange their cups. Playing make-believe is too much fun, they say happily. Bibo makes cookies. Bibo and his friend Mino are going to make cookies. We'll make some big cookies and some little cookies, says Bibo. They add a small bowl of sugar, a medium-sized bowl of flour, and a block of butter in a big bowl. So Bibo stirs the mixture together round and round. Now the mixture's all light and fluffy, says Mino. Mino takes a little spoon and Bibo takes a big spoon. Mino puts a small dollop of cookie mixture on the baking tray. Bibo puts a large dollop of mixture on tray. Mino places the baking tray in the oven. I can't wait, he says. Once the cookies are baked, Mino takes out the baking tray carefully. Bibo and Mino finally get to eat the cookies once they have cooled. So yummy, they say happily.